Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to the Yas Marina circuit. Now I've put together a tutorial video of the South circuit here at Yas. This is for beginners and not an advanced rider video. It contains track tips. I've got a racing line in it as well. The green zones denote acceleration and the red is where you roll off the throttle. So enjoy this tutorial in this video from the Biker Crew UAE. Before we start, I thought I should let you know that at Yas, you will find twin red cones on the track that mark the beginning of your braking zone. Yellow cones that show you your tipping in points and green cones show you the apex of the corner. Please remember that these are just suggestions. Feel free to find your own markers as you get used to and learn the track. Right, let's get to it then.
We begin on the start-finish straight. Keep your throttle wide open and stay tucked into the bike. Roll off the throttle and begin braking. Shift down to second gear and you are at turn 1. Stay in second gear for turn 2 and 3. Hold the throttle steady. You will have to shift the bike around pretty fast. Accelerate and stay right. Turn 4 is an off-camber corner, so be wary of your lean angle. A dab of brakes might be required. Exiting turn 4 will take you wide. Get to the left of the track and accelerate hard while shifting up the gears through turn 5 and 6. Roll off the throttle and brake hard. Shift down to second for turn 7. This is a narrow part of the track and takes a bit of time to learn. Get to the right before turn 8. Brakes may be required depending on your entry speed. Exit the corner and stay to the right. Turn 9 is an off-camber turn and can be tricky to master. Let the bike drift to the right when exiting. Accelerate and shift to third. Get to the left before braking hard and shifting down to second. Stay to the right after turn 10. Brake again for turn 11. This brings you back to the start-finish straight. Punch the throttle, shift up to 5th gear, and that, folks, is a lap of the South Circuit at Yas Marina.
I hope you enjoyed the tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. As always, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.
Whoa!